What is up, boys? I'm back with another trading session. Today I will take some trades in a new way with a money management sheet that I'm sure you're gonna like it because that's pretty crazy money management sheet. And I will take some trades and then I will explain how this works. It's basically this money management sheet. You might be familiar with it. So you basically enter your balance here, and let me see. Okay. Let's say, yeah, you got okay. Let's say you got this amount of capital in your pocket option. So you enter your balance and then you say that how many trades, how many chances you have. Okay, let's say we have I don't know, 7 chances, and how many trades you can win out of the 7 chances guaranteed. Okay, so let's say I can win 3 out of 7. I mean, you have to enter something that you're gonna win that shit. Okay, so I know this is 100%. I know I can win 3 out of 7. Okay, and yeah, so if you win 3 out of 7, doesn't matter how many losses you take here, you will reach your take profit. Okay, so this is your take profit right here. This is your take profit. Doesn't matter how many losses you have, you will reach this take profit. And this is the beauty of this money management sheet. Okay, so let's say you lost the first trade, again you lost, so then you had a win, again you lost, you had a win, again you had a win. Okay, so in 6 trade you had 3 losses and 3 wins. If you place these amounts of these amounts in your trades, okay, you will reach your take profit. Okay, so we started with 432 and now we are in 505. Okay, which means that it's $73 in profit no matter how you take your trades. Okay, so let's say you won your first trade, then you lost, you win, again you lost, you win. So you have 7 chances to have 3 wins. Doesn't matter, you win your 3 first trades and reach your take profit, or you lose 3 times in a row. Okay, so this is the beauty of this money management sheet. But there's a important thing about this money management sheet, that you have to be certain that you are able to win 3 out of the 7. Okay, if you're not, you can increase your chances. Okay, so if you lose, if you cannot win 3 out of 7, you're gonna lose all your money. Okay, so let's say you lost this, and okay, so there's 7 chances you have 1 win. Even if you win this one, you can't even, you already lost your money. Okay, so you don't have to enter crazy amount of win trades here. Okay, so let's say you're not sure you're gonna win 3 out of 7, so you go with 3-9. Okay, so you have 3 more chances. Then you can, the amount is gonna decrease based on the total trades, but it's fine. So I'm gonna go with 3-7 for you today. Okay, so let's see if I can reach the take profit or not. So my first trade is gonna be 50.75. Okay, so let's get it started. Okay, let's go to the chart and turn this to 50.75. Is that the 50.75? Yes. Okay, so let's get it started. I'm gonna add some pairs here. Now you have to be careful when you trade with this money management sheet. There's a high probability of reaching the take profit, but still there's a chance of losing all the money. Okay, so you have to be careful. Okay, we have this. Okay, we have buyer's entry from this level, and we had a higher high previously. I can go with buyers here for 1 candle here. because this is pretty sure shot because we had a strong uptrend and we made a higher high here. And if you know about this pattern, this is basically a diamond pattern. Okay, when you have a higher high and you make a higher high, if you come to the you know, previous lows you know, area, you can go with buyers for some minutes. And this is exactly that pattern. So yes, I love this pattern. I use this pattern in Forex. That's crazy. Okay, so this is gonna be my first trade. Okay, that was very okay. So we lost this trade, and 76.13 is the next trade. 76.13, and this is basically I don't know if it's a retracement, but I know this is gonna go up. Okay, so I'm gonna go with buyers again. I know this is gonna go up. Okay, so this might be a retracement on the way, so I'm gonna go with buyers again. Okay, that was a win, and I was a little lucky, but that was a win anyways. It's gonna go up. I know it's gonna go up. So this is my next trade, which was a win, and now I have to place 54.81. Okay, 54.81. I'm gonna move on for next pair because this is going a little crazy. Okay, so we have previously we had a perfect momentum to the upside, and now it's coming down. So it's better to go with sellers at this kind of trends. We have this level here. Okay, if this candle closes right up on this level, I can go with sellers. Okay. Okay, it didn't close up there. Okay, I go with buyers here because yeah, this is exactly the same pattern here. We have a diamond pattern here. It just goes like this. And also we combine that pattern with this outside bar and a retracement with higher highs. So there's a high probability of continuing to the upside. And also we have red green pattern. Okay, so we have almost 3 reasons to go with buyers. And if I look at the trend also with us, so we have 4 reasons to go with buyers. Okay, so this is pretty sure shot. Okay, this is gonna be my third win. Okay, okay, that was a win also. I'm gonna go to the sheet. Okay, I told you that I have to win 3 out of 7, right? 3 out of 7, and I already won 2 of them. It means that I have 4 chances left, and I need 1 more win. Okay, isn't it easy? It's easy as hell, bro. Okay, I'm gonna take 1 more trade. Okay, let me see. 24.67. Need to place 24.67. Okay. Okay, for the next candle, if it comes down to this line, I will enter with marginal safety for a buy option. Otherwise, I will not, because this is a strong candle and this is previously a strong momentum. Okay, there's 2 scenario. If it gives me a candle like this, green one, I go with sellers. And if it gives me a red candle like this, red candle like this, I go with buyers. Let's see which one will happen. Okay, I go with sellers here, but this one is pretty risky because it closed right on this line, which is a pretty level, but we have a lower low, and we previously had a downtrend started from up there, and it's better to go with sellers. But this is risky though. Let's see what happens. If this is a loss, no problem, because I have 3 chances left, okay? Okay, that was my last trade and last win. If you look at the sheet, you see I had 7 chances and I needed 3 wins. I had a loss, and then I had 3 wins and I reached my $73 profit. And if you, okay, let me just show you. Okay, I started with let's see, my ending balance is 505. My starting is 432. It's 73. Okay, so I hit my take profit, and that's pretty cool because I had 3 chances left. If you're a beginner, you can increase this to a 9-3. It lowers the risk for you, okay, because it lowers the amount and you have far more chances. I see some people, some beginners do 10-2, but it's gonna decrease so much, and you have to have a higher balance to keep up with it. So 10-3 is, I guess, the best for beginners. So you can download this money management sheet free on internet. I can create a Telegram channel and place it there. So if you want to just tell me in comments, and then I will create a Telegram channel and post these kind of cool things, cool tools for you making profit. Okay, because I like to help people. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something. And if you did, drop a like for me, the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Peace out.